If you are a business owner, an entrepreneur, a working professional, or even a healer or coach, and you are doing everything to know how to do, learning, working, upgrading yourself, yet something still feels blocked, please listen carefully. Because what I'm going to share is not motivation, it's understanding. I often meet people who say, I'm capable, but growth feels slow. I'm spiritual, but money feels stressful. I help others, but I feel drained. I work hard, yet abundance doesn't feel stable. If you relate to this, you're not alone. And more importantly, you are not broken. Most people believe the problem is not enough money, not enough clients, not enough opportunities, not enough support. But that is not the real issue. Money is never the problem, my dear friends. Clients are never the problem. Opportunities are never the problem. The real issue is inner alignment. Every business result, every career outcome, every financial pattern is an expression of your inner conditioning, your habitual thoughts, your emotional responses, your nervous system state, your energetic flow. You may consciously want success, but subconsciously, you may still be operating from fear of loss, fear of judgment, survival thinking, emotional exhaustion. And life always responds to the subconscious. And this is especially true for high performing professionals. Entrepreneurs carry responsibility, healers who give too much, coaches who absorb others' emotion. On the outside, you look so strong. On the inside, your system is tired. And abundance doesn't flow through a tired system. So you don't attract abundance by effort alone, you attract abundance by alignment. Growth is natural, expansion is natural, prosperity is natural. Look at nature. A seed doesn't doubt its growth. A river doesn't force its flow. But humans learn resistance. Scarcity is not natural, it is conditioned. Many business owners work harder when things feel blocked. Many professionals push more. Many healers give more, but pushing from stress creates more resistance. Your nervous system is overloaded. Your decision making becomes fearful. Fear blocks growth. This is why many permissions don't work long term. You say, I'm abundant, but your body is tense. Your emotions are heavy. Your mind is worried. The words cannot override the state. State always wins over statements. The real shift is not forcing positivity. The real shift is calming the inner system, releasing emotional weight, creating safety inside. When inner safety increases, clarity increases. When clarity increases, results improve. Let me give you something simple you can practice. When you feel stressed about money, work, or clients, pause and ask, what am I assuming right now? Most stress comes from assumptions about future loss, failure, lack of control. Now, change the assumption and your inner state shifts. In my work with business owners, professionals, healers, and coaches, I've seen one truth again and again. When emotional and energetic blocks release, people make better decisions, attract better opportunities, and experience smoother growth, not magically, naturally. Abundance responds to alignment. Alignment responds to inner clarity. Inner clarity comes from inner healing. This is not philosophy. This is lived experience. If you're a healer or coach listening to this, remember you cannot pour from an empty system. Your abundance matters too. When you are aligned, your impact multiplies. Save this understanding for the days you feel overwhelmed, doubtful, disconnected, questioning yourself. Those days are not failures, they are signals. Signals to realign, not to push harder. You were not designed to struggle endlessly. You were designed to grow with clarity and ease. When you stop fighting life and start aligning with it, life begins to cooperate. Sit with this, let it settle, and allow this shift to begin quietly. Thank you.